everyone. Let's start with the chapter and exercises. The very first question of very short answer question is, what does air contain? The air contains variety of gases along with dust particle and moisture. The second question is, in which part of the atmosphere do we live? We live in troposphere, which is nearest to the crust. The third question is, what does cloudy sky and wet weather indicates? The cloudy sky and wet weather indicates that there is a low pressure area. The fourth question is, what is the calm area at the center of the cyclone called? This is called as eye of the cyclone. Now the next question is, how does a tornado look like? Tornado actually looks like a twisting funnel moving with very high speed and with a strong winds revolving around it. Now starting with short answer question. The first question is, when you drink a soft drink with help of a straw, what forces the liquid into the straw? It is the high air pressure which is present above the liquid forces it into the straw. The second question is, why is warm air lighter than cold air? Warm air is heated up and hence it expands and occupies larger volume, thus it becomes lighter and rises up. What are tornadoes? Tornadoes are strong twisting funnel. It's a storm caused in present in dry region due to low pressure. Next one is, where do the hurricanes occur frequently? The hurricanes occur near the Caribbean Sea as well as in the Western Pacific Ocean. The last question is, how does a cyclone alert different from a cyclone warning? A cyclone alert or cyclone watch is first stage warning issued 48 hours before, whereas cyclone warning is second stage warning which is issued for 24 hours before the cyclone comes by the meteorological department. I hope you are clear with short answer questions. Now moving next to the long answer questions. We have now coming to the long answer type question. The first question is, how does atmospheric pressure influences weather? Weather of a place is highly influenced by the pressure present in that area. A low pressure area will always be cloudy and having strong winds, whereas a high pressure area will be always clear and sunny day, having a calm weather. The second question is, how are wind currents generated? Wind currents are generated due to four factors, and they are location on the earth, whether you are at equator or pole, rotation of the earth, because as the earth rotates, the atmosphere attached with it also rotates. The third is local conditions, whether you are in a sea, beach or in a plain area. And the fourth one is height from the ground. That means if you are moving up, the pressure will be low. So these all factors actually determine the movement of the air. Now the next question is, how are thunderstorms formed? Thunderstorms are formed when the warm air is rising up with lots of moisture and cool air is settling down with the water or the raindrops. So these two air mixed together to form lots of turbulence and heavy rain accompanied by lightning and thunderstorm. The next question is, what is cyclone and how it is formed? Cyclones are small low pressure system with very high speed winds revolving around it, and they are formed in the atmosphere due to formation of large amount of clouds. There is release of heat in the atmosphere which heats up the air which is present inside the cloud, and they create a low pressure area in middle of the clouds. So the high pressure winds which are around the clouds, they try to get inside, but as they could not, so they start rotating around them and causing a heavy destruction because of the strong winds. Now the next question is, mention three damaging effects and three safety measures against the cyclone. Damaging effects is that it actually brings lots of destruction and damage to the life and the system, and secondly it will also bring floods. It will destroy the lives of marine animals as well as human beings. And safety measures is you should carry all the essential goods along with you to a safer place if you have known that cyclone is coming, and you should always pay attention to the weather forecast system which is being issued by the meteorological department, and you should always be ready with all emergency numbers which you may need in the time of crisis. You should not drink the water from local sources if the cyclone is over. These are few safety measures which one should always take care of during and before the cyclones. Now coming to the take odd one out, the first one is the odd one out is actually troposphere, because rest all are related to the stratosphere, where ozone layer is also there, and which is a flying zone of supersonic aircraft. In the second, reduced atmospheric pressure, high speed wind, cloudy sky, rain and sunny sky. In this, sunny sky is the odd one out, because rest all are related to low pressure area. In the third, mountains is the odd one out, because rest all the things are related with the thunderstorm. The fourth one, it is actually cyclone. It is 24 hours, because cyclone alert and cyclone watch are the same thing, and they are issued 48 hours before. So this is 24 hours is the odd one out. Now in the fifth one, the water spout is odd one out in the fifth question, because that is formed above the water. About the definitions, all the definitions are given in the book, and I hope you can write it down from the book itself. Now coming to HOTS, or the higher order thinking skills, the first question is, in which direction do you normally expect winds to blow in the two latitude belts of 0 degree to 30 degree north and 0 degree to 30 degree south? Give reasons. In case of 0 to 30 degree north, the wind direction will be southwest, while from 0 degree to 30 degree south, the wind direction will be northwest. This is because the earth is rotating from west to east. Now the next question is, how would the pattern of wind circulation get affected if the earth would rotate from east to west instead of from west to east? Obviously the pattern will also be reversed as the direction of rotation of earth reverses. So the direction of wind flow will also get reversed. I hope you are clear with all the answers, and you can do it now, do it in your copy and be prepared for your exams. Till then,